My name is Pilar Navarro. I am the Business Unit Director from Life Science and Chemistry. I am in charge of overall the exhibitions and events related with science and industry and how to integrate both sides at the same time. The most important, the most challenging thing is try to make that things happen. In order to make things happen from the molecule to the final process, we need something, some bridge to do it, to make it possible. The way that we make it possible is try to create this kind of events. The industry was born at the very beginning from one exhibition that is called Expo Chemia, raw materials, and one exhibition that is called Equiplast, plastics and rubber. With these very settled down sectors, we already come up with this kind of new platform, a new event, a new arena, where all the knowledge is concentrated in order to put science and industry together to create a new market, to let us call to let people know the new revolution of the industrial era. For us, it's quite important to have this kind of connection. The most important thing is right now we have a demand that is not very well known, okay, just this beginning of the market. When you have this kind of markets that they are being in the beginning, in the most incipient sector, you have to answer so quickly. And right now is the time to try to accelerate all the knowledge and all the technology in one sense. And if we are able to put it all together here in Barcelona, and we are in the state of the art right now in this kind of ecosystem because we have good scientists, we have good manufacturers, we have good engineers, we have all the pieces of the puzzle to put it all together, we can create a great ecosystem in order to answer all the challenge over the world. The thing is, I'm very satisfied. I have to congratulate all the team because they make a good effort. In short time, we concentrate on the market. We already have come over all the world with different type of proposals, and we are able to put it all here. For one sense, with the team is incredible, job already done. The second thing for me is quite important is that we create a new concept, this kind of arena concept, this kind of putting things in action, to touch things, is the second thing that for us is quite important to put it out, to try to put it in relevance. And that's the thing that we already create here. We create from the knowledge, from the industry, we mix all the things, and the final thing is we have something touchable. When you are looking and you are handling science, to have all the process, to have something touchable is too long. And right now here, we accelerate that. We have science, we have industry, and we have the results. And that's good, because it's new results for new products, for new needs, and we are solving some important things, and we are creating the future. We are creating the future in architecture, we are creating the future in healthcare, we are creating the future in retail with new business model, we are creating the future and in automotive and aeronautics. The fourth vertical ones that we want to give solutions to the challenge that they already present here. Okay, we have the major part, the VAPs here, in order to promote it quite a lot. But the plan for next year is, for us, is so important. Before you speak about the ecosystem, we are one of the pieces of this kind of puzzle of this ecosystem. We are the dissemination, we are the promoting, we are the accelerating process of this ecosystem. That's the reason why that we have to be very integrated. And we know in this market the details are so important. For the next edition, we are planning to listen first, to listen very carefully to the market, to know what is going on. We know that this faster is so quick, that this market is so quick, so fast, that we need to go with them, to see which is the latest things and to put it in place. Our challenging thing is go so fast to the market, trying to represent whatever is and one step further. We want to surprise people. And we hope that you already have this kind of surprise in this kind of big event that we want to promote it, that we want to push it, that we have already data from the 2017, and we want to see you next year here in June, from the 20th to the 22nd, all together with this big community that is the 3D printing community, that is advanced additive manufacture, that is digital manufacturing, that is the future, but right now it's a reality.